Hi my lovely friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the incandescent reversing bulb with a LED bulb. Gently pull out the tail light assembly. Turn the holder counterclockwise and pull it out. Pull the stock bulb out this way. Push in the LED bulb into the holder. To install the holder, push the holder in and turn it clockwise. Here is a comparison between the LED and the incandescent reversing bulb. The LED bulb is to the left and the incandescent bulb is to the right. The procedure that was done on the left tail light assembly to be followed on the right tail light assembly. The LEDs are super bright, very helpful while reversing. Hope this video helps you. Drive safe my friends.